5 amazing machines operating at an insane level. Number 5. TBM Machine. A tunnel boring machine, also known as a mole, is a machine used to excavate tunnels with a circular cross-section through a variety of soil and rock strata. They may also be used for micro-tunneling. They can bore through anything from hard rock to sand. Tunnel diameters can range from a meter, done with micro-TBMs, to 19.25 meters to date. Number 4. HPW-DUST street sweeper. Newer street sweepers are capable of collecting small particles of debris. Many street sweepers produced today are PM10 certified, meaning that they are capable of collecting and holding particulate matter sized less than 10 μm. Despite advancements in street sweeping technology, the mechanical broom type street sweeper accounts for approximately 90% of all street sweepers used in the United States today. Number 3. Road Zipper. A barrier transfer machine, also known as zipper machine or road zipper, is a heavy vehicle used to transfer concrete lane dividers such as jersey barriers, which are used to relieve traffic congestion during rush hours. Many other cities use them temporarily during construction work. The lanes created by the machines are sometimes referred to as zip lanes. Number 2. Panther Airport FireTruck. Airport crash tenders are extremely powerful and one of the most awesome machines. They offer relatively good acceleration, are able to negotiate rough terrain outside the airport area, carry large capacities of water and firefighting foam, are fitted with powerful high-capacity pumps and water or foam cannons, and are capable of delivering firefighting media over long distances. They can be mounted on 4x4, 6x6 or even 8x8 wheeled chassis. Number 1. Class DD14 Snowplough. The Class DD14 is a Japanese incredible machine which was a BB wheel arrangement diesel hydraulic locomotive type operated in Japan as a self-propelled rotary snowplough unit from 1961 to 2015 by the National Railway Company, Japanese National Railways, and later by East Japan Railway Company and Hokkaido Railway Company.